somebody gonna look at you and be like, girl, she almost slayed it. If she would just take that wig and just tilt it just a tinch. What is up, everyone? It's Mika Lynn. Thank you so much for tuning in to another review. Here we are once again, baby, and we are gonna hop right into this. You are coming with me to get my hair braided, baby. Soik! It's a wig, but y'all knew that. Before we get into this, definitely make sure you do subscribe to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Drop your girl a comment down below, and of course, let's go ahead, get right into this beauty. You already know, winner, winner, chicken dinner by NEATnSleek, baby. So as always, I'm gonna do a first impression, kind of plop and go type of deal with this unit. So I do have on a tan colored wig cap. I do have my hair pretty much slickety slacked as much as it's gonna be without braids. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on. Use the elastic band. Wow. So you can already tell that this yeah, this is kind of tight. This is a very tight cap fit. So I'm not sure on the dimensions. We'll go over that, all that at the end of this video. It's okay fit, and I think I can make it work. My only issue, as always, when these caps are really tight is the sides. But I don't think I'm gonna have too much of a problem. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna use a black stocking cap yet. We'll just kind of see and fill that out. But wow, okay. Okay, let me go ahead and wait, check this out. Let me go ahead and okay, NEATnSleek.
Tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, I can make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. No, no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find
I do want to try one style that I have been like obsessed with. So we're going to give this a shot and see how this works out. I'm just going to take some of these. Okay, I think that should be good. Hopefully this comes out the way I am envisioning it, y'all. Okay. Okay. I'm going to braid both sides. Okay. Okay. Even that is cute. Listen. Oh, God. Alright, but I am going to go ahead and let's see if we can make this look cute. Okay. Listen. I don't care what y'all think. I don't care. Okay, I care. I care. But in this moment, I don't care. Yes. Okay. I'm going to zip this a little bit. Okay. NEATnSleek. Look at you. Coming through with a full lace girl. If you don't go. Baby, this is full lace. Listen. The options are endless, baby.
Tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you. Start all over. Tell me now.
Yes. Okay, so just a couple of specs for this unit. Big thank you to NEATnSleek for sending out this beauty. This is their Zuri Knotless Highlight Box Braided Wig. I do have this in the full lace version. It is a waist length unit in the color 1B chocolate brown with a medium cap, and the baby hair on here are sparse. So with those options, this unit is coming to $459. But wait, listen, there are a lot of great things about this that make this a great investment. First and foremost, if you go to any salon and you're looking to get your hair braided, depending on your location, depending on the stylist, you might be paying up to $400 for a knotless look, depending on where you go. Now, if you can get it cheaper for that, then by all means, boo, do you. Maybe you have hair loss in the crown of your head like I am experiencing. Maybe you have hair loss all over. Maybe you bald, girl. I know how it is, and you may be a little bit embarrassed to go and get something done at a salon. This is definitely another option that is available to you. A couple of things I do want to point out with this cap fit. It is a medium-sized cap. Now, if you are measuring like my head circumference, 24 inches, baby, you might want to just take the extra coins and do a customized size fitting. They do offer that for an extra $20. Now, baby hairs on here will literally make or break the look, so you definitely want to take your time, finesse them however you want to do them. In the past, I have actually cut off all the baby hairs, and that kind of so I did leave some of the baby hairs intact, and I just kind of swooped them right into the braids just to give them kind of a natural look. Me and baby hairs, we got funk, okay? We got beef. We always, it's like oil and water, baby. Sometimes we mesh, sometimes we don't. And most of the times when I aim to do a baby hair look, woo, that leaves no room for error, baby. It always comes out with a clean hairline or a clean-ish hairline, and you ladies seem to love that, so here we are. Now, a little trick that you can use, especially if you are installing this by yourself, when it comes to the ear tabs, you can take one braid on each side, twist it under your neck, just like this. You do want to make sure that this unit is 100% dry before you attempt to maneuver any of these styles. Your girl was playing a little tug of war. The first install, totally crooked, baby. So I did have to reinstall this. Number one tip when it comes to a snug fitting unit, you definitely want to adhere or anchor the front down first and then work with the ear tabs one by one, if that makes sense. Somebody gonna look at you and be like, girl, she almost slayed it if she would just take that wig and just tilt it just a tinch. I did go in with my concealer, whatever was left on my brush, and I just brushed it along the parting spaces in the front. I really didn't do anything in the back, so please forgive me for that. The hair is a little bit on the rough side, so if you are sensitive to that type of thing, definitely do the apple cider vinegar trick. Put it in a bucket, let it soak, you know, just to get some of the chemicals off, and you will be good to go. If someone's all up in your head, you know, less than 6 feet away, if they in kissing area, then of course naturally lace is gonna show. That's just natural, but we can make them, we can keep them guessing, baby. Big thank you to NEATnSleek for sending out the unit. If you are interested, definitely hit them up. All the specs will be in the description box down below. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in as well. Definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to sub to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Most importantly, keep yourself first. Keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna